How to fix message sending issues in Badoo chat. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to learn how we can solve the message sending issues on the Badoo app. So without any further ado and delay, let's get started with today's video. If you're not being able to send messages properly and you're having issues within the Badoo application, sending a message to one of your matches, then there could be several reasons behind it. The first thing you want to make sure is that it's not the issue with your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch to cellular data or vice versa and see if that helps you solve the problem. If that doesn't, if you're using Android, just long press the Badoo app icon, tap on this I button to come to your app information page. When you're here, just scroll down to the storage tab and make sure to clear the cache files. And you can also try to clear the data. Then go to your Play Store or your App Store based on whatever you're using and search for the Badoo application. Check if the Badoo app has an update, and of course if it does, then do make sure to update it to the latest version. You can also try to restart your device to see if that helps you. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you in the next video.